This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics first. A TV that supports AirPlay, Chromecast, Miracast, or a casting receiver, and your phone or laptop on the same Wi-Fi network. Once on the same network, open the TV's input or screen mirroring menu and enable Discovery. Note any PIN shown. Now on your device, open the casting or screen share control on iOS Use Control Center, on Android UseCast, on Windows Use Project. Follow prompts to search and select the TV device. Once you see the TV in your devices list, select it and wait for the connection handshake. Make sure you accept any TV authorization prompts. If you're on a laptop, decide whether to duplicate the screen or extend the desktop and adjust resolution to match the TV for sharpness. For mobile, toggle between full screen and orientation lock as needed. If performance lags, lower resolution or close background apps to reduce bandwidth and CPU load for a smoother mirror. To finish, stop mirroring from your device's cast control. Check that audio routes to the TV speaker and video plays smoothly. If you hit problems, first restart the TV and your phone or laptop, then reconnect. If drops persist, switch to the other Wi-Fi band, update TV firmware and device drivers, or fall back to an HDMI cable for a direct link. One key tip: reduce network congestion by pausing heavy downloads during mirroring for predictable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.